Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Choose Wisely. This is Ansh Kumar and this is purely an educational blog. In this video, I will tell you about the books which you will be using from your first year MBBS college to your last year MBBS college. Okay, this video is divided into two parts. The first is a such small text format part जहाँ पे मैंने explain किया है all the books which you will be using like student friendly books, the standard book for each and every subject, and the third part is MCQs and practical books for subjects. Okay, and the second part is where I have shown you all the books in real version, okay, the latest edition, their authors, and so if you're watching the first part, do watch the second part.
So the first subject which we are taking into consideration is anatomy. For this, we all know that Bible is Gray's Anatomy, but the language is very precise and not understandable. So you can go with a student-friendly version, that is a student edition of Gray's. If you want to take an Indian edition for anatomy, you can go with B.D. Chaurasia. If you want to take for neuroanatomy, then the standard book is Richard Snell, or you can go with the student-friendly version, that is Vishram Singh. Now comes histology. For histology, you have to take only student-friendly version, that is Inderbir Singh. For embryology and genetics, you can go with Langmans, this is standard book, or you can go with simple student version, that is Inderbir Singh. If you are studying anatomy, then you must have a Netless Atlas. For practical anatomy, you can go with Cunningham. Now comes the physiology. For physiology, you have to take standard book, that is Guyton. If you want to take a student-friendly version, you can also go for A.K. Jain. For practical, you can go with G.K. Pal. For biochemistry, the standard book is Harper. Okay, but the student-friendly version, and like it's a good book, easily understandable, that is Satyanarayan. Now for pathology, there is no student-friendly version. The best book is Robbins only. It's a two-stretch set book. For hematology, you can go with Tejinder Singh. And for pathological practical, you can go with Harsh Mohan. Okay, you have to take Robinson latest model. Remember that. Now for microbiology, the one and only simple book is Essential of Medical Microbiology by Apurva Sastry. A new edition has come where parasitology is included with this microbiology. So remember to take the new edition where this parasitology is included in microbiology. Okay. Now the next subject is pharmacology. For pharmacology, the standard book is Goodman's and Gilman. Okay. But you can also take a student-friendly version. This is K.D. Tripathi. For forensic medicine, you can go with Reddy. This is quite a black and white book. If you want to go for a student-friendly version, you can go with Pillai. And for PCM, I will always say that take the latest edition because there is a regular update every year. So you have to keep in mind that whenever you are taking PCM, take the latest edition. For ophthalmology, the standard book is Parson. If you want to go with student-friendly version, then comes Khurana. For clinical version, you can go with Pillai. And for ENT, you have to take Dhingra. It's the most best book for ENT. You can go with simply with Dhingra. For clinical, you can go with Balakrishnan. For general medicine, the standard book is Harrison. Student-friendly is Davidson. Quite a volume book is this. But for general medicine, you can take Davidson. For practical, you can take Hutchinson and McLeod. This is a standard book for practical, but if you are not comfortable with Hutchinson and McLeod, you can go with Kundu. This is a student-friendly version of practical medicine. If you want to go for clinical medicine, you can simply go with Golwala. For question answer sessions, you can go with Matthew. Now comes the allied subjects, that is dermatology, psychiatry and medical ethics. For dermatology, you can go with Harrison. For psychiatry, you can also go with Harrison or you can take Neeraj Ahuja. For medical ethics, you can go with forensic medicine book. For neurology examination, you can go with Fuller. And these are like simple topics. So if you want to go with respiratory system examination, you can take Basanta Hazarika. For ECG, you can go for John R. Hampton. This book is very good and it's completely explain every aspects of ECG. For general surgery, we all know that standard textbook is Bailey and Love. Okay, but again, this is a precise book, very scientific English and not student friendly. So if you want to go with student friendly version, you can take Manipal. For practical, you can go with Esdas. Orthopedics, again, the standard book is Apley. If you want to go with student friendly version, then comes Maheshwari. For practical ortho, you can go with Ebenezer. For pediatric, there is no standard textbook. You can simply go with student friendly book, that is O.P. Ghai. And for practical, you can go with Scott. For obstetrics, you can go with William Obstetrics, that is a standard textbook, or you can go with Datta, this is student friendly textbook. For gynecology, you can go with William Gynecology or Lakshmi Sidarai. Lakshmi Sidarai is quite a student friendly book.
Okay, as for anatomy, as I told you, BD Chaurasia you have to take. This BD Chaurasia comes in 4 sections. The first section is for upper limb and thorax. The second section is for lower limb, abdomen and pelvis. The second covers head and neck. And the fourth is for brain and neuroanatomy. Okay, so this is a 4-set book which comes in 4 volumes. And this is 7th edition.
And as I told you, if you are studying human anatomy, you must have an atlas of human anatomy either in the PDF form or in the book form. Okay, so this is Atlas of Human Anatomy. This will be Netless Atlas and it's of 7th edition. So you can get it as a PDF form also, or you can get it as a book form also, but you must have this atlas.
Okay, and for histology, you will use Jenquera's Basic Histology. Okay, this is a textbook also, an atlas also. Okay, यहाँ पे microscopic slides भी हैं with their standard colors. Okay, this is quite not a huge book, but it's quite heavy. And this is 14th edition. Okay, but you have to take 15th edition. 15th edition latest आ चुका है. Okay, so you have to take this for histology. And for embryology, you can prefer Inderbeer Singh, human embryology. 11th edition है. ठीक है, and this is edited by V Subhadra Devi. Okay, so you can prefer this for embryology. So this is medical physiology by Guyton and Hall. You have to take the latest edition of this book. Okay,
And yes, for biochemistry, you have to go for Satyanarayan. Okay, this biochemistry will be the 5th edition. 5th edition एक बार check कर लेना that 5th edition is the latest edition or not. मुझे याद नहीं है, but ये edition 5th edition है for biochemistry, and for Satyanarayan is the best book. Okay, the most student friendly book you will ever find for biochemistry. And तुम्हारी कोई भी problems होंगी, anything which you will ever held in biochemistry will be cleared out with this book.
so if you are going for pathology, you have to take Robbins and Cotran. Okay, this is pathological basis of disease. This is 10th edition, volume 1, and you can see that this is a 2-set volume and this is not open. So 10th edition is the latest edition written by Kumar, Abbas and Astar. You have to take South Asian edition. You have to remember this. You have to take South Asian. Okay, then comes microbiology. For microbiology, you have to take Essentials of Medical Microbiology. This is the newest edition. This is 3rd edition of Essential of Medical Microbiology, written by Apurv S. Sastry and Sandhya Bhatt. Okay, this is a new edition. Why? Because in this they have included microbiology as well as parasitology. In earlier cases, the microbiology you have to take separate and the parasitology you have to take separate. But in this book, they have combined parasitology and microbiology. Okay, for pharmacology, you have to go with Essential of Medical Pharmacology with 8th edition. This is written by K.D. Tripathi. Okay, so you have to take this 8th edition of Medical Pharmacology.
Okay, and for forensic medicine and toxicology, you can go with V.V. Pillai. Okay, if you want to go with Reddy, you can go, but Reddy is quite a black and white book. इसलिए I prefer going with V.V. Pillai, and it's upon you what you have to take. So for forensic medicine, you can go with V.V. Pillai. It's a student friendly book and it's a good book.
Okay, now for ophthalmology, you have to take this 7th edition, that is Comprehensive Ophthalmology, written by A.K. Khurana. With this book, you get this book, that is Review of Ophthalmology by A.K. Khurana. It is same 7th edition. So you get 2 books combined. You have to remember this is 7th edition, Comprehensive Ophthalmology, written by A.K. Khurana. Okay, so for ENT, you have to use this book, that is Disease of Ear, Nose and Throat, Head and Neck Surgery, written by P.L. Dhingra and Shruti Dhingra. Okay, and this is the 7th edition. This is the latest edition. Okay, for medicine, this comes in huge book of Davidson. This is Davidson, Principle and Practice of Medicine. You have to remember this is international edition and this is 23rd latest edition of Davidson. And now the second huge book come is of surgery. This is Manipal Manual of Surgery. This is 5th edition written by K. Rajgopal Shenoy and Anita Shenoy. Okay, so this is Manipal Surgery. This is also a huge book like Davidson, and this is for surgery. This is latest edition is 5th edition.
So I showed you all the important textbooks which you will be using in your medical years, and the books which I do not have with me right now, I will show you normal as in a picture format. For essential orthopedics, you can use Maheshwari, use this edition because it includes clinical methods also. Okay, and then comes the pediatrics. For pediatrics, you can go with Essentials of Pediatric by O.P. Ghai. Okay, this is written by Vinod K. Paul and Arvind Baga. This is a bestseller book for pediatrics. Okay, for obstetrics, you can go with DC Datta's textbook of obstetrics. This is the 9th edition. Okay, and for gynecology, you can go with Lakshmi Sadarai. Okay, this is quite a student-friendly book. You can perfectly go with this book. And some of the subjects which I left is like psychiatry, dermatology, and the books on ECG. So you can take the books which you prefer the most. Okay, and the one subject which I have to talk important is PSM. Okay, if you are going for PSM book, you should always take a latest edition because new studies and new medicines are always coming up. So it's been updated in the other books in the newest edition. So whenever you are taking for PSM or whenever you are studying PSM, always go for the latest edition.
So I think that I have mostly covered all the important books of the medical years. If you think that I have missed any book or if you have any suggestion, more easier book for that subject, you can comment down in the section below. I'll be happier to see that. And to all my medical peers, my batchmates, my juniors and my seniors, I wish that this video was informative for you, and it took a lot of chunk of my time and efforts to make this video as well as quite pocket money from it. And so if you like the video, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it to your juniors, your seniors, or the new NEET aspirants who will be coming to the medical college in the following years, and to give them the knowledge of what the books they should be taking with them to start their first medical year.